So what are the 5 SQL sublanguage that you should know before jumping into basic? SQL as a comprehensive programming language for managing relation database includes 5 sublanguage, each serving its specific purpose. Now, SQL is a language, as you know, for the data professional to query the data. But as every language in general, as an English language, have its own dialect. Like for example, English have many dialects, many forms of it. Similarly, SQL have a certain dialects, and these dialects are used by a certain users that they care about those dialects. Now let's deep dive into those, starting with first one, which is DDL, also known as data definition language. This is used for defining the structure of the database. It includes commands like create table, alter table, or create, alter, drop in general, which is used to create, modify, and delete database objects like table, indexes, views, store procedures, and list goes on. Now, DDL statements are the one which is used by many developers. Whenever you are creating something, you are actually using DDL to create that specific object. Now, the second one is DML, which is data manipulation language. Now, it focuses on manipulating data within the database. It encompasses commands like insert, update, delete, which are used to insert, update, and delete the data in the table. So whenever you want to perform insert operation or update or delete operation, you are actually writing DML statements. Now, DML is also something most of the time developers write when they are writing the store procedure. Sometimes DBA also use DML when they want to perform basic operations. It might be the logging or looking how the jobs are running. They do perform a DML operation just to make sure that they are on the right track. Now, the third one is DCL, which is data control language. Concern with the controlling access to the database, it involves commands such as grant, revoke, which are used to grant and revoke the permission to the users and the roles. So most of the time, security use this dialect for controlling whom should have access to what, right? They can use the grant and revoke command to perform DCL operation. Now, the fourth one is TCL, which is transaction control language. This manages transaction within the database. It includes commands like commit and the rollback, which is used to commit or the rollback transaction. Now, whenever you are performing certain operation live on the production, these are the must to add. Like you have to commit your transaction if you're doing something on the production. Not advisable if you are not a senior DBS. Now, the last one or fifth one is direct query language. DQL is a direct query language. This is used for retrieving data from database. It is also known as a SQL, right? Structural query language. It primarily involves select command used to select the filter and sort the data in the table. Now, each of these sublanguages plays a crucial role in management and manipulation of relation database, creating different aspects of the database operations from structural definition to the data retrieval and the transaction management.